Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today, guys, I have made for you these little beauties, chia puddings. Yeah, and I have made 3 different flavors. And chia seeds, they may be small, but they are incredibly rich in nutrients. They contain antioxidants, minerals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. And there are so many flavors of chia puddings that you can make. It is just very, very versatile. I'm just showing you 3 of my favorites today. And I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below. But we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to cook. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to make the pudding base, and it is super easy. You need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 3/4 cup of milk of your choice. I am using almond milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm using a tablespoon of honey, but you could also use maple syrup or agave nectar. All right, so I'm just going to give this a stir and then let it set for about 20 minutes until it's nice and thick. So my chia pudding has thickened nicely. And the first flavor I'm going to make is for a blueberry banana. Now I have 2 different size jars here. The large jar will hold the entire pudding. I, however, am going to make a couple smaller jars. All right, so I'm just going to place some pudding in the bottom of each jar. A little bit of the blueberry sauce. And to make the blueberry sauce, just take 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries and squeeze the juice of half of a lemon. All right, and then add 1 teaspoon of honey and microwave for 1 minute. All right, then stir and microwave for 1 more minute. All right, then just let this cool. Place some slices of banana, some fresh blueberries, and for a little crunch, I'm going to add some walnuts. So the next flavor I'm going to make is a strawberry and cream. Same thing, put the pudding in the bottom. All right, I am placing a little bit of my strawberry freezer jam on top of that pudding. Then I'm going to place some fresh strawberries. And for my cream, I am just using some vanilla Greek yogurt. And the last flavor that I want to show you is for a peanut butter and chocolate. Yeah. Just add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to your pudding base. Want to thin this out a bit, you can add a little extra milk. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to thin it just a touch. All right, put the chocolate pudding in the bottom. And I have taken some creamy peanut butter and put it in the microwave just to make it easier to drizzle. Because I'm going to drizzle some peanut butter over top. Give a little bit of mini chocolate chips. Then I'm adding some chopped peanuts. And a great thing about these chia puddings is that they can be made ahead of time and just kept in your refrigerator. So they make a great grab and go breakfast. Just note that the banana flavor, the bananas will go bad quicker than, say, some of the other flavors. Oh yeah. Now it's time for a taste test. So delicious. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I'll see you soon with more delicious recipes.